right there. Richie, dude, that thing is bad. We are at Moose Creek Resort, and this place is awesome. We're all packed up to leave now. What'd you think of Moose Creek Resort, Richie?
Oh man, beautiful place, beautiful atmosphere, good food. Loved it.
This is seriously a comeback to spot. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, Moose Creek RV Park, Moose Creek Resort and RV. Anyway, look at these campgrounds, are just amazing. They're working on getting full hookups on this end, but right now it's got power and water, so we were all able to hook up, and they have super clean bathrooms and shower facilities. Awesome, good stuff. If you're going to Glacier, check out Moose Creek RV and Resort. Moose Creek RV Resort. Anyway, we're gonna hit the trail here in a few minutes. Our goal is close to Missoula tonight. Get to drop the wife off tomorrow morning for a flight out. She gets to leave the Roughing It trip and go to Europe. So anyway, AJ,
What's up?
woo!
What up? What up?
Breakfast, huh?
Oh yeah.
All right.
We're loading up.
Amy says I could do Montana if it was like this all year, huh?
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Yeah, check this out, you guys. Welcome to Paulson, Flathead Lake, out that way. We just had some wicked good pizza. Did a quick little repair with Jerry. Lost a CV boot and all the grease came out of it, and we ended up putting a new axle in. Ooh, look at all that grease. Hazards of the road, hazards of trailing. So far everything's been pretty good. Bo had a belt glaze on him. Jerry, how was that repair?
Grease boy and with friends, no problem.
Yeah, Jerry's got something for us.
Have you seen the valve stems on his?
I did. Check out these valve stems. Whoa.
Huh.
I don't know if we need to edit that out or not for YouTube, but Jen, you good? Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Montana. Wow. I don't think this video is gonna be even close.
Man, that looks like a pretty good camping spot to me.
Oh man, that's pretty down there. rolled off the side, and we hunted and hunted and hunted for it that night, couldn't see it. This morning as we're driving by, Amy says, "Did you guys check the side of the road really good?" And I said, "Yeah." Both Heath and I were watching the side of the road and never saw it. Just as we drove by the grocery store where we stopped, guess what I saw? Yeah, God is good. Right there. Oh my goodness. That sunset is cool. Looks like a painting. Wow, you guys. All right, so Frenchtown, Montana. Here we are. We came out of that canyon right there. We were hoping to stay up on top tonight. Everything's private property. Everything's private property. So we actually, you can see right there, there's a steeple for a church. There's an LDS church right there, a Mormon church. All right, I don't know. Anyway, we stopped there and there was people there. We got permission to stay in the field behind it, but it's all good. Some of the people weren't comfortable with that. So we came down this road and the river is down here. But there was a bunch of private property signs there too. So we're at this school. I think it's a school. There's some little league baseball fields and stuff here. So anyway, we assume that this is where they park, and hopefully it's not going to be an issue. Anyway, we're getting set up, doing grilled cheese sandwiches for dinner tonight. We got all the rigs all pulled in here, taking care of business. Oh my goodness, Richie, dude, that thing is bad. And with the trailer, with the backcountry trailer, woo, we're down with that. Jerry doing a little maintenance over here. Dude, this guy is my idol. I want to be Jerry when I grow up.
Don't do it the first time, right?
Yeah, but the fact that you're here and you've got the skills and you've got the stuff to do a quick.
To MacGyver the heck out
It's
of it?
not a repair because there wasn't anything broken. So it's not a repair. It's an improvement.
Strengthening.
It's strengthening it. The fact that he has all the stuff here to do that.
I had to borrow.
That dude's a boss right there. And anyway, Richie, how was today's trail?
Amazing.
Caught him at the wrong time, sorry. Anyway, today's ride was awesome. You guys probably already seen it in the video, but wow, absolutely beautiful. Jen, Amy, taking care of us, thank you. Got the food going on. And with that sunset in the background, oh my goodness.
So pretty.
Wow. We'll catch you guys in the morning. We're just gonna chill and enjoy. Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't. Let's ride. All right, this is the kind of sucky part. We're sending Amy home. But she's going to Europe.
Happy, sad.
She's happy to be going to Europe, but she's sad she's gonna miss the rest of the trip.
I know,
so
I really am.
I love you, baby.